This video is part of our Investing 101 series here at Sisters for Financial Independence. If you are a new investor, I am going to encourage you to check out this series and this playlist, which I will also link below, which will have all the videos for Investing 101 series. Knowing the basics of investing can alleviate the stress and ensure you are investing in the right places for your goals. One of the big questions that comes up when it comes to investing is that how do I set up my money so that I am investing consistently and automatically? In this video, I am going to show you a sample money flow. How do you set up your money so that it can flow to the right accounts, starting from your paycheck to your various savings account as well as your investing accounts? Automating and setting up your money system from the very get-go can save you time, save you money, and reduce the overall stress of managing your money. I'm a visual person, so we are going to get right to the diagram so you can see what that looks like. So in the top left corner is your salary or your paycheck, and before you get taxed on it, you may contribute to your retirement 401k. This is an automatic plan process, so you just set that up with your employer. They'll also take out your insurance, medical, dental, vision, HSA, as well as transit. So now you have pre-tax contributions that lowers your taxable income so that by the time your paycheck is issued going to your checking account, you now have been saving for retirement. And from there, now that you have funds in your checking account, you may also create an automatic process whereby not only do you pay your bills, groceries, internet, phone, as well as your debt. If you have student loan debt or credit card debt, you also set up an automatic process where you also save these post-tax options. Perhaps you're putting money into a high yield savings account for travel, emergencies, etc. And you also have the option to open an IRA, a Roth IRA in this case, because it's post-tax, as well as a brokerage account. So now this is another process where you've automated moving funds directly to these accounts. Now the items in yellow that you'll see, retirement 401k, your Roth IRA or brokerage, within those are also your processes for dividend reinvestment as well as your dollar cost averaging process. Those are automatic and it continues to reinvest your funds without you necessarily having to get in there and review the settings. Don't rely on yourself to manually move money to a savings account or an investment account. Use the process of automation. We get busy if we have kids who are running from one place to the other or working multiple jobs. Sometimes we don't end up doing the things we're supposed to be doing with money. When you use those process of automating your money, it means you've taken that out of your head. A lot of your banks, your investment accounts will provide you these settings to automatically withdraw and invest your money. Find those settings and enable those settings so that your money is being withdrawn for your future and automatically invested. I mentioned dividend reinvesting or DRIP, and it is a process that you will have to enable within your investment accounts. You will actually look for the settings and you will need to place a check mark or turn the toggle on to ensure that any dividends that comes in from your investments will be automatically reinvested. I will link a video that further describes this here so you can learn more about it. And I'd also check out this video for other investment tips.